In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the DSUM function in Google Sheets, a handy tool for anyone dealing with large datasets or needing to conduct conditional sums with ease. Whether you're a student managing data for a project or a professional trying to streamline reporting tasks, understanding DSUM can save you time and effort. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheets. If you're not already familiar with it, Google Sheets is a powerful and free spreadsheet tool similar to Excel, but operates directly from your web browser, making it accessible from virtually anywhere. Ensure you have access to the internet and your Google account for this. Once you're on Google Sheets, locate the cell where you want your DSUM formula to appear. A convenient spot would be somewhere close to where your data is located. For the purpose of this guide, let's navigate to cell F7. Now, let's enter the DSUM formula. The formula you're going to enter is exactly this. E equals DSUM, A1C5, crates, E1G2. Let's break this down a bit. The DSUM function requires three core inputs: the database range, the field, and the criteria range. In our example, A1C5 is the database range, which includes all data you're considering. The word crates refers to the column containing the numerical data you wish to sum, often labeled with a recognizable column header. Lastly, E1G2 signifies the criteria range, which is where you'll specify conditions for selective summation, such as summing values only under particular circumstances. Make sure to type the formula correctly. Any extra spaces or misplaced punctuation can lead to errors. This is crucial because the accuracy of your data analysis depends on it. After inputting the formula, simply press the Enter key. If everything has been done correctly, you'll see the result of your DSUM formula in the designated cell. The value displayed is a sum of the data from the specified column, filtered by any criteria you set. If you don't see the expected results, double-check your ranges and ensure your criteria are correctly defined. Sometimes, errors can occur if the criteria range does not perfectly align with the parameters of your dataset. And there we have it. You've successfully applied the DSUM function in Google Sheets. With this newfound knowledge, you can now automate and simplify the processing of accumulated data that meets specific conditions, easing both complex analyses and regular data management tasks. Experiment with different datasets and conditions to truly appreciate the flexibility and power of the DSUM function. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.